I think it's amazing to be back in the office. It's great to look people in the eye and to give them energy and to get energy back. It's a whole different ballgame again.
We see ourselves with our own offices also as an example for our tenants to make other people aware of possibilities which maybe they haven't thought of.
This building already was a healthy building, and this building already was full of sensors. And it took us very little time to look at the sensors, reprogram them, and make sure that the data coming out of the sensors could also be used to work in the safe way that we need in Corona times.
You know, when you you start your day, you come into the office, you understand, hey, what's going on? Where is there a safe space for me to meet? Which space is now available? Not just because my room booking system tells me it's available, but also because the ventilation rate is correct there and it's fresh air right there. Information that allows people to take easy actions and just help them move through the building. There's a couple of ground rules that we had. First of all, of course, keep your 1.5 meter distance at all times, making sure to avoid touching surfaces as much as possible. We gave some handy little tools to people as well, so they don't have to touch door handles and touch screens as much. Keeping a clean desk policy. Don't touch things if they're not necessary. You know, it's still okay for you to work from home. There's a possibility to do walking meetings. To just get people to say, hey, you know, why don't you just spend those 15, 30, 60-minute walk going outside along the canals, which gives you the health boost of actually having some movement, getting some fresh air, and it's probably one of the safest ways to communicate is being in the outdoors.
I think when there's a crisis, there are basically two things that you can do. One is you can be negative, you can take a step back, you can huddle down, and you can wait for something that's going to happen to you. And the other thing is basically summarized in the sentence, never waste a good crisis. And that means you have to go out there, you have to try new things, you have to look around you, what are the trends that are now speeding up? The trends that we are seeing is that buildings need to be better than they were before. Healthier, more sustainable, smarter, just great spaces to go to and to work in. We're there to do it.